What's up guys, this is my new RC Nitro truck, the HPI Bullet ST 3.0 I got for Christmas. It's my first Nitro truck. I've had it out once or twice, Christmas Day, during the week. Still haven't tuned it in properly. I've had a little go with it, but not too major. The weather's been kind of shitty. Yeah, it's a pretty nice truck, dual shocks for each wheel, full waterproof servos and battery compartment. It's a pull start. It's okay. Yeah, 75cc tank. It lasts about 15-20 minutes, depending on how much throttle you're using. Yeah. I had to get the HPI Nitro starter pack as well with this, because it is an RTR, but the only thing that comes with it is the car, the control, and some spacers and a few other bits for the car. No glow plug, nothing like that. In the starter pack I got the screwdrivers, a couple of screwdrivers, a little tank for nitro, and the glow igniter and charger. And yeah, I was thinking about getting new alloys for it, but I don't think so. Maybe a new exhaust though. Yeah, the control's pretty nice. There's a nice feel to the wheel for steering. Yeah. I'll be getting a couple more videos up, tuning it, tuning it, a couple of runs, seeing what I can really do. Yeah. So yeah, it's the HPI Bullet ST 3.0 Nitro truck. So yeah, alright, keep an eye out for the upcoming videos of tuning and driving around a bit, and see you then. Peace out.